Watson, that you there? What is it, Ebenezer, old chap? Weren't you going out to lunch with the new guy? By Jove, all right. I completely forgot to ask him. Well, that's all right. I'll just send him a text message. Oh, cell phones. You know I don't hold with this newfangled technology, Watson. If you want to send a message, send a telegram, I say. Nonsense, old fellow. What was his name again? Huitzilopochtli, Aztec deity of the left-handed hummingbird. Well, good luck with that. I'll just go harvest some crops. Silly old Ebenezer. Nothing wrong with a cell phone. Let's see. I say, Huitzilopochtli, would you care to do lunch at the Black Cat Cafe? I say, Huitzilopochtli. You're typing his whole name? Pays to be polite, old bean. Zil. Oh. Why not just send wanna do lunch? All things considered, you have an excellent point.
I am the sun. I am war. When Copiel came against me in wrath, I cut out his heart and cast it into Lake Texcoco. What are you doing, mortal?
I'm texting you.
My father is a pile of feathers. This made Koyo Shaokui angry with my mother, and she led 500 brothers against her. I was waiting for you to call, but you did not.
Ah.
Shall we do lunch?
Curse my clumsy puppet fingers.
You need to use getherer.
What? Who said that?
Best not to ask, really.
I dare say, all right. So, getherer, you say?
Right. Where was I at? Getherer brings things together. People, places, times, and habits. It couldn't be simpler to use. What you want is always as close as possible. Let's start with the people. When you begin, your list of contacts is displayed. Just select the people you want, and with the push of a button, you're off.
Well, any phone will do that.
Next, choose a place. Select one from the list, or type a new one. Getherer will remember it.
But that's new.
Finally, just select a time. Getherer supplies some default times like lunch and dinner, or you can type your own. And there's your message, ready to send. It's quicker to send a message than it is to explain. But Getherer doesn't stop there. It tracks your favorites and moves them to the top of the list.
My people razed the city of Tenochtitlan, where they saw an eagle eating a serpent as I had foretold. That is a very efficient list feature.
This is called a habit, and it makes things even faster for you. Once you let Getherer know who you like and where you want to meet them, you'll never have to scroll a list again. Now, get out there and start meeting people fast.
Let's try this.
My sister's head is the moon. My brothers and sisters are the stars of the night sky. Where is the one mortals call Ebenezer?
Oh, he'll be alone. He doesn't use getherer. I got your telegram. What?